Umuntu agira ubuntu, ubumuntu bukaganza.
I've been part of this festival since 2017. It has helped me grow my talent, and I enjoy being part of it. I've learned a lot. I made new friends, and I miss it as soon as it ends.
The festival has come to Rwanda at the right time. We're wondering about the right ways to talk about our tragic past, expressions of how to embrace it, and be able to laugh, cry, and learn together. I have enjoyed every edition that I have attended, and it has challenged the humanity I know for the better. My heart is always full when I see countries join for such a phenomenal cause. I wish everyone would be part of it.
The festival allows everyone to get into their character in the best of their ability. So whether that is the production team or the performers or the audience members, the festival is a platform for everyone to just really embrace that time together. The coordination team takes an entire year to prepare not just a festival, but a healing platform. So we're really happy with this international admiration that we've been receiving. This recognition also reinforces the gifts that women can give to society when given a proper place. The festival was created by a woman, and the festival has reshaped the way that communities are looking at a country that is recovering from a painful past. This festival also shows how together, men, women, Rwandans, and foreigners, we can all contribute to the development of Rwanda, and together we'll continue to make this festival a very effective place for healing.
To me, the festival is a movement. It's a platform that I've enjoyed to be part of from the start. Every play has been meaningful simply because we act out things that we face in our modern day society. The stories we tell are stories which are common in our society. The festival shredded problems into small bites for people to be able to swallow, to feel and to find solutions. Every performance is important and impactful. The feedback has been very lovely and constructive. We're ready to keep this movement alive.
As a memorial, we are committed to support the festival as it aligns with our mission. We are proud to have been part of this journey, and we want to continue using our human capital. Every year at Ubumuntu Festival, the Kigali Genocide Memorial Amphitheater received thousands of people who come to learn about the genocide against the Tutsi and other crimes that have happened elsewhere in the world. To learn about it, but also look at the solutions that can be taken to prevent it to happen again. This initiative has proven that peace building is possible through arts. I can only encourage people to attend, to participate, and visit us so that we learn together and become agents of change. As we say in the slogan of the festival, I am
because you are.
You are
Because I am.
We are human together.